In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF to Google Sheets. If you want to place a PDF into your Google Sheets in a simple, clickable way, this method is quick and easy. What you're really doing is grabbing the share link from the PDF in Google Drive and then pasting that link into a cell in your spreadsheet. That makes it easy to keep documents connected to your data and accessible whenever you need them. Start by going to your Google Drive, where your PDF file is stored. Make sure you can see the file you want to add before moving on. This is the document you'll be linking into your sheet. Next, find that PDF and click the three-dot menu on the file. This opens the File Options menu, where you'll be able to access sharing settings and other actions related to the document. From that menu, hover over Share. This will expand the sharing options so you can choose the link-related action you need. At this point, you're preparing to copy a direct link to the file rather than downloading it or opening it. Now click Copy Link. Once you do that, the PDF's link is copied to your clipboard and ready to be pasted into your spreadsheet. If your file permissions matter, this is also a good moment to make sure the people who need the file will actually be able to open it through that link. After copying the link, go back to your Google Sheet. Return to the spreadsheet where you want the PDF reference to appear. This can be useful for invoices, reports, contracts, supporting documents, or any file you want associated with a specific row or record. Click into the cell where you want to add the PDF link. Choose the exact cell carefully so your sheet stays organized and easy to read. Many people like to keep document links in a dedicated column so everything stays consistent. Then paste the link using Ctrl and V. As soon as you paste it, the PDF link will appear in that cell. In many cases, Google Sheets will recognize it as a clickable link automatically, which makes it convenient for opening the file later. Finally, hit Tab. This confirms the entry and moves you to the next cell, which is helpful if you are entering multiple links or continuing to update your sheet. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to Google Sheets by linking it from Google Drive. It's a simple workflow, but it can make your spreadsheet much more useful and connected.